Hello everyone! We have a problem that says a curve is given parametrically by the equations x is equal to 3 minus 2 times sine t and y is equal to 2 times cosine t minus 1. And we're going to be trying to find the length of the arc from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to pi. The first thing we need to do is I'll give you guys an example. If we have the curve fx, and we were trying to find for the length from the interval a to b. So we're trying to find for the length of this curve. To do this, we're going to take a small portion of it. So let's say just this part, and keep in mind that the purple line that I just drew right here, is a straight line. And also we're going to call this length ds. And also, what is ds equal to? Well, the bottom orange line that I just drew, the length is dx, and this orange vertical line is dy, which, using that, we can determine that ds is equal to the square root of dx squared plus dy squared. Okay, and since we're using parametric equations, we're going to multiply and divide by dt. That would give us the square root of dx divided by dt squared plus dy divided by dt squared, all multiplied by dt. And this would be just the length of one small portion, so this purple line. But we want to find for the length of this whole curve, and so to find for that, we're going to take the integral. So like the integral is like adding everything up. We have many of these small portions, like infinitely amount of them. So to find for the length of this curve, we would have to take the integral from a to b of ds. Like I said, we're using parametric equations, so we had to divide it and multiply it by dt. And also in this problem, a would be 0 and b would be pi. Okay, now we're going to find for the dx divided by dt and put it into here. To find for dx divided by dt, all we have to do is take the derivative of this equation, and x is equal to 3 minus 2 times sine x. If we take the integral or the derivative of that, we would have negative 2 times cosine t, square it and add dy divided by dt, which we just have to take the derivative of this equation. Y is equal to 2 times cosine t minus 1. If we take the derivative of that, we have negative 2 times sine t. We square that, and we multiply dt. And we can simplify this more. Okay. If we take negative 2 times cosine t to the power of 2, we have 4 times cosine squared t, and plus we square this, and we have 4 times sine squared t, all multiplied by dt. Okay, now 4 times cosine squared t plus 4 times sine squared t is a trigonometric identity, and this would equal to 4. We have square root of 4 though, which would the 2. And if we take the integral of 2 in terms of t, we just have 2t from 0 to pi, and that would give us 2 pi as our length of the arc from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to pi. Okay, so that would be the end of the video. In this video, I determined the length of the arc from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to pi, and we also used parametric equation to solve for the length of the curve or the arc. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.